So that's it, that's the end of the twisties for this Vietnam tour. No more hills, no more mountain passes. That was the last one. Next set of twisty hills I do are going to be in Australia, but that's okay. I've had a lot of fun here and I've enjoyed cruising around in cities and coastal areas as well, the flat areas that may not be as exciting motorcycling wise, but still completely fascinating to me riding around through all this and seeing the scenery, the houses, the way locals are living. It's a little bit sad that this trip's coming to an end. I fly out of Hawaii tomorrow. One more night in Ho Chi Minh after that, and then back to Australia. So I've only got 2 more nights left in Vietnam. It's been awesome, but nowhere near long enough. Nowhere near. I could spend months here. I really could. It's pretty cool. Well, we're trying to get through to Hawaii just by doing some back roads and taking a bit more scenic route there, but we keep getting lost, don't know where we are, and there's no street signs anywhere that on back roads telling you which way to go to cities and stuff. You've got to get on the main roads to see all the signs. On the main road there are directions, on the back roads there are none. Shit, that was close. This has been a cool little detour. Pretty awesome. Well, going through the little villages, the little towns, the narrow streets. Very cool. Had to go off-road just to let the scooter through. There wasn't enough road for both of us to pass. This is where the locals come to party on the beach. Pretty remote. A lot out here. Little villages and a beach. Wow, this is awesome. Very cool. Have a look at this spot. Looks like a little slum village there. Fishing boats. And some nets over the water. And all these fishing boats down here. Going out to the ocean right there. This is pretty wicked. Well, this is a great little spot. How cool is this? Pretty awesome. Hello! They're little duckies. Oh. Yeah, as I was saying before, on these back roads there's no signs saying to, Hue, which is the nearest big city. In Australia, there's always signs pointing to whatever city. More tunnels! Okay guys, that was a nice little stop. Let's hope to eat and drink, and got our wet weather gear on because the weather's not looking any better than it was earlier. It's starting to look worse, and I don't really want to have to dry on my gear. I'm flying out tomorrow and it's just an extra hassle, so I'm stinking hot wearing all this wet weather gear. Now that I put it on, it's probably not going to rain at all. I'd rather be warm and dry than cold and wet though, so we just had to go back on the main highway to get around all the waterways and inlets. You just can't get through without going on this. You can get through some of the way, then you can go inland onto this, and then go back out and cruise along it again, but I'm not going to be able to see much of the beach anyway with this little weather. Hey, another GoPro. It's only the second time I've seen a helmet camera on anyone else other than us the whole time I've been here. Wow, if it wasn't covered in fog and mist, that would be so cool out there. Can't see anything. Damn you weather, damn you, look at that. That looks glorious. Wow, look at that. This thing sticking out of the water in the mist. Pretty cool. There's a toll gate here for some reason. But motorbikes don't have to pay. It's most likely just for the trucks, I'd say. It looks like sunshine. We're getting close to Hue now, closing in on Hue City. With each passing kilometre, the craziness is intensifying, bit by bit. Oh, duckies, poor little things, they hang upside down, they're still alive, they're all tied up, wondering what the hell's going on. Probably know they're going to meet their maker. Alrighty, all fueled up, full tank of gas again, and back into the madness of riding in Hue City. The craziness. This is nuts. What, are you going to get them washed?